In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the measurement tool, and it works basically like a ruler. And notice that the hotkey is F9. So if you click F9 on your keyboard or choose the tool from the toolbar, you get a ruler. And notice my mouse has changed. It's got a small ruler on it. And if I click and drag it, it allows me to basically pull out like a measurement tape, and it tells me how far I've measured. Now, you can use this, and you can keep using it. Oh, this is about 5.5 centimeters, wide, and this distance here is almost, 0.9 of a centimeter. And so you can keep measuring until you're done. And when you don't want to measure anymore, you right click to let go. So it's pretty much as simple as that. Turn it on, measure, turn it off. Now, I'm working in metric, mainly because I find, the small numbers that we're measuring, 1, 2, 3 millimeters, easier to work with than, in inches, where you're dealing with, it's great to say I want it to be 4 inches wide, but when you're measuring the width of the column and it's only 2 millimeters wide, then you're talking about a small number in inches, which is probably like, 2/25 or 1/12. And then what is 1/12 to type in on a keyboard to give this a width? You see what I'm saying? So when I select something and I want to set the outline at 2 millimeters, I can simply type in 2 and I get a 2 millimeter column versus a 1 millimeter column or a 3 millimeter column. So anyway, all that said, you can certainly choose to work in inches, and the way you would do that is you would say Tools and Options. And at this point, you can change between metric and US. It's on the General tab. You choose metric and US. Now, it doesn't change immediately. It requires me to restart the program. So if I closed right now and then started again, it would now have inches for my rulers and for my measurement systems. So you can change back and forth between inches and metric at any time. And of course, 1 inch is 25 millimeters. So it's, if you think of it like, the dollars, the quarters of a dollar, and somebody says, I want it 4 inches, then right away it's 100 millimeters. If it's 2 inches, well, it's 50 millimeters. And if it's half an inch, it's 12 millimeters. So that's easy, a way to kind of keep track in your mind the difference between inches and metric. But yeah, so that's how you can change it. And that's how you work with your ruler.